Hey, it's Jonathan, your coastal realtor here in Oak Island and anything close by. So this community, 15 minutes of the Oak Island beach and also close to Holden. This is Avalon. So Avalon is broken up into a lot of different sections, keeps growing. I'm in front of the model home, great people inside. I know them well. And also, great builder, D.R. Horton. They've been around since 1978. In this area alone, they're hoping to close 800 homes. So they're definitely stepping up their game for production, building fast, and getting people what they want, so the right price point. And then they take care of the people after that. So it's important to follow through. I sold a house recently in a D.R. Horton community, and she made out great, and she's super happy. So I hope that we can help make that happen for you. And also, D.R. Horton is in 400 other markets across the state. So certainly they've got it dialed in to get the product and build fast. The model, the Aria, is 1,618 square feet. I'm standing in front of it. Imagine the sales center here being a garage, okay? That's the only difference. And my name's Jonathan. I live in Oak Island, and that is the closest beach to here. So I'd love to be a resource for you, shopping for a house at D.R. Horton, or even just showing you around the beach. And my channel, would love your support on the channel. Again, helping buyers and sellers in Oak Island. So making a move in Oak Island. And yeah, Aria, let's not talk anymore. That's 2 minutes. Let's spin around and get you going. Let's flip it around. Hey, it's Jonathan. Hope you enjoyed the tour. I am actually in the sales center here of the DR Horton Sales Center. And yeah, they are definitely making great strides in the area. You know, over 800 new families will be into a DR home just in this region. And Avalon is definitely one of the most popular sites for being close to the ocean. I want to give you a big thanks for watching and staying on this far. The channel is really for people thinking about getting to the North Carolina coast and just trying to figure out as much as they can before they get here. I'm happy to be a resource for that. Also, as you know, the market is shifting and it's getting a little easier for buyers to get what they want, so more value for you. I used to be a builder and I used to sell for builders, so definitely I know the playbook and can help hold your hand through the whole process, and if possible even in negotiating. So there's a great opportunity for you. Would love to assist for any DR Horton home, even if it's not in Avalon. This is the info how to get a hold of me. I gotta figure out how to put that image there. And yeah, so let's connect. Any questions on this community, about DR Horton. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.